I'm Scott from Scott's Pizza Tours, and we're at my apartment in Brooklyn where I've invited a bunch of friends over because Breville sent over some of their new Pizzaiolo ovens, and we're testing them all out. We're just banging out like a ton of different pizzas. The oven is badass. I make pizzas probably every month or two, and I invite a bunch of friends over. Maybe I can make 10 or 12 pizzas in my oven. It takes a while to reheat between pies, and they come out real good, but these have been coming out better and faster, so it's definitely impressive. This is the 25th pizza of the night, and like I'm barely breaking a sweat, so it's pretty cool.
Yeah, so the dial, it's got different settings. So like right now I have it set to the highest, but then I can switch it down to Neapolitan. I can do it as pan, there's a pan setting. I'm gonna do New York setting in a minute. It'll be exciting. But I'm trying to like step it down, start hot, and then go down. But look at this, doesn't it look like John's Pizzeria?
It really does.
I'm exhausted, but I'm delighted. The crust came out great. There was flexibility, there was crunch, there was levity to the inside. Yeah, really, really happy. I want to sit down and play with it some more though. This was like an interesting situation to put myself into where I was really testing the oven for the first time with 25 of my harshest critics.